Bhakti is infinite. Bhakti is unlimited. It's transcendental. Anything transcendental, first of all, anything that's transcendental is eternal. Krishna says in Gita, 2nd chapter, Nasato bhavato bhava. He says he says asat. That which is real is eternal. That which is false is temporary. So this material world is real, but it's false in the sense that it's temporary. But reality is a spiritual reality. That verse is there. We can just read that verse. It is in chapter 2, verse 16 of Gita. Nasato vidyate bhava, nabhavo vidyate sataha. Ubayor api drishtontas, tvanayos tattvadarshibhi. Those that know the truth, they conclude that what is temporary has no endurance, and the eternal soul has no change. They have concluded by studying the nature of both. It says, nasato vidyate bhavo. That which is temporary is not real, and that which is real, it says, nasato vidyate bhavo, nabhavo vidyate sata. That which is eternal is real. That which is temporary is unreal, non-existent. He said, asat.